Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to my channel. Yesterday I finished the explanation about the chapter area of parallelogram and triangles. Till now, if you have not seen that video, please go and watch and subscribe my channel. Today I am going to explain some basic maths before start to explain about lines and angles chapter. In this video we will finish about point, line segment, line, ray and about angles. See, first is point. Point, or we can say vertex. A point is an exact location. A dot represents a point. Here x is a point. We can represent with any alphabets. Mostly we will use capital letters to denote the point. Instead of using letter x, you can use any alphabet to denote point. Next is line segment. See here, 2 points are there in different places on the plane. Denote as A and B. Any letter you can use. When I join these 2 points, I will get a line and it cannot extend beyond the 2 points. So we can say for this line segment, a straight line drawn from A point to B point is called line segment. A, B. Or we can say a part of a line with 2 endpoints, because we cannot extend the line from 2 directions. It can be denoted as AB, capital AB, and on that AB a small line bar or dash we can say on the top of AB, or we can say AB bar, and we can measure the distance between points AB is called length of AB. We can see these line segments in our daily life. So many objects that exist around us. For example, take a pen. A pen has a fixed length. It cannot be extended. We can easily measure the length of the pen with the help of a scale or ruler. And some other examples like edges of a table, edges of a book, etc. are the examples of line segment. Next is line. See here, one line is there, not have any point. It means it can extend from 2 sides of the line. So the definition for this line is, a line is a straight path that can extend in both the directions. Suppose if a line segment extends on both sides, then that became a line. We cannot say line segment. Denoted by AB, on top of that a line with arrow marks. Arrows on AB. Arrow indicate that the line is endless. It is moving or extending in both the directions. By seeing arrow symbol on any letter, you can confirm that it is a line. Sometimes this line is represented by a small letters L, M, N, or any other small letters X, Y, Z, etc. We can read it as M line. M is a line. Next is a ray. Observe this. Here one endpoint is there and a line is passing through that point. This point is called initial point, or we can say end point, and have one arrow. It means arrow side can extend it, but point side we cannot extend. That is a end point. This type of line called ray. Definition for this ray is a straight line having one end point and extending endlessly in only one direction. The end point of a ray is called its initial point. It can be denoted by AB arrow symbol. It means that is a ray symbol. So here the difference between line and ray is, line there is no end points in line, but ray have only one end point. And for line segment, there have 2 end points. In ray we have only one end point, and from one point so many lines can draw. It means infinite number of lines can pass through from one point. Suppose one end point is there, one point is there, and two rays are passing through that. Only one direction it is passing. Suppose two rays are extending from the same end point. Between two rays, you can see some space. Distance between two rays are called angle. It means rays making an angle, and the rays are called arms of the angles. Those two lines which are passing through that point is called arms, and point is called vertex. If the angle is letter A, or you may get any other angle, means a letter, then it can be written as angle symbol and then A. There are different types of angles are there, such as acute angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, reflex, complementary, supplementary, linear pair of angles, corresponding angles, exterior angle, interior angle. So we'll discuss about those angles in next video. Today we learn point, line segment, lines, rays. I hope you got these points.